It's time to learn! Welcome to Haika Kids! Let's have fun!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, through the green valley near the lake. The bus on the road goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The bus on the road goes up and down, by the shiny blue lake. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, in the green valley near the lake. The people on the bus go clap, 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 clap. The people on the bus go clap, 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 having fun near the lake. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 echoing through the green valley. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, through day long near the lake.
That was fun! Like, share, and subscribe! Ring that bell! See you soon! Bye!